Baby girl, when I look at you, I just wanna marry you. Please let my dream come true. Oh, and I'll be yours. You the boss, my medulla. Come close, my baby girl. Miss you, love you, baby girl. Oh, yeah. Obrani abo so na swemfa. Obi amini bie kwambempa. Mi abod mechi so I want us them to me how go do me.
Oh my jeez. This guy really know how to sing.
Whoa. Just look at this fallen angel. I wish to have it.
That guy really know how to sing.
I think you like.
Yes, why not?
I can get his number for you.
I'll be much grateful.
I'll let your phone and give it to me.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
Hi, I'm Pearl. What about you?
Max.
Nice to meet you.
Sure.
That you can see, you are very busy. So, Max the charming singer, can I get your number?
Sure, why not? Let me give it to you. 49. Yeah, good to go, baby.
Thank you very much. See you later.
Okay. Baby girl, when I see you, I'm falling for you, my baby girl.
Exceptional.
Mary, Max is calling. Talk to him.
Talk to him yourself. Isn't he your crush?
Hello. Every day washing. I'm tired.
So who should wash your clothes for you?
Lest I forget. How was your meeting with Master Goods?
Very good. But sis, I can't pretend being as you. You have to meet him yourself.
Come on. Sooner than later, please.
Mary! Oh, what is it?
Oh, come on. Please. Mary, please. I'm pleading with you. Please. Go and meet Max for me, please. He's even on the phone.
So you, this girl, when will you bury your fear? Is that not the guy you want to be with?
You know. That's not the issue. I can't stand his face, please.
Okay, let this be the last time.
Yes. Thank you.
Am I okay? Why must I leave my chewing meat to someone? What if they fell in love? No, Mary is my blood sister. She can't betray me. But they are human beings too. Anything can happen at any time. I have to follow up.
How could you betray your love? I thought you were my blood sister. How could you hurt me so bad?
I can explain.
Explain what? Save your explanation. What more lies do you want to tell me? He's madly in love with you. Or you told him I'm coward.
Enough, announcer. What were you expecting? Pretending to be you. I'm not coward, Austin. For your information, Max and I are together now, and nothing can separate us.
Mary, you can't hold what belongs to me. He's mine, not yours. Oh, wow, Mary.
My guy, you don't mean it. I neither don't believe this until I met this girl. Pearl is madly in love with me. So her sister Mary too. And I'm even confused, my guy.
Oh, Charlie. Bro, listen. Follow your heart. Stick to what makes you happy and make the right choice.
Sure. Yeah. You are right. I got your vibes. Thanks, my guy.
Hello, Lina. Yeah. How are you?
Pearl.
Yes.
Pearl, what am I hearing out there? What do you think you are doing? You better leave my marks for me. Don't bang the beast in me. You not like me.
Clap for yourself. Come on. Why are you shouting on top of a voice like illiterates? In his fullness of time, all things make new. I have faced my fears and I have buried my shyness. I've come to throw to your face the demon I was. He's mine and forever mine.
No matter how long a candle is, it will burn into us.
Hope you are doing good.
Yes.
But where is Pearl?
Mine.
Age.
Yeah, mine.
Stop!
That's why.
Don't.
The drink is mine.
Never. Now, Mary, take this drink.
The drink is mine. Why?
You will understand everything later. Just calm down. Now, Mary, take this drink. Come here.
But it's not mine.
You will drink this, okay? Now, come and take this.
It's not mine. Why should I drink?
Don't provoke me. I said take this.
I don't understand what.
Wait, what is going on here?
Officer!
What is going on here?
This is the lady.
Yeah, I'm Officer SK from Pump.
Yeah.
You are under arrest
For what?
attempt to kill. Any statement you make here will go against you in the law court. Now move. Let's go.
This.
To kill who?
Move!
Officer, wait, officer. What is going on here? Please tell me.
She's your sister, right?
Yes.
This drink is poisoned, sister.
What? My sister.
Be careful. Never trust anyone, even your blood.
So she's planning to kill me because of a man. No matter what she will do, he's still